5 Best Carpet Steam Cleaner Reviews. Number 1. Hoover Power Dash. Hoover Power Dash is pocket dynamite for those who have a happening home full of pets and people. Having pet or little children in life is the best thing, but the thing is that it means you will have a hard time to clean your carpet. The Hoover Power Dash can greatly help you to lessen your workload. It is very effective at cleaning a large area with minimal effort. It has everything that the best steam cleaner for carpets should have, from a powerful motor to a quick drying of the carpet once you finish cleaning. But best of all, you don't have to spend lots of money to get such an excellent carpet steam cleaner. Hoover Power Dash is a big blessing for older adults or those who have a back problem like me. You don't need to call over your nephew, John, for helping you out anymore. Number 2. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro is used primarily for commercial purposes. If you can guess how powerful and effective it can be when used for cleaning the carpets in your home. It cleans from the very core and sucks out most of the filth that hidden deep within the fibers of the carpets. But most importantly, it has a massive tank capacity of 3.9 gallons. So you can do all the cleanup your house need at once, without having to stop for a single time. It's as one of the best steam cleaners for carpet you can get right now. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro is an excellent choice if you want to use your carpet for a prolonged time. Because most of the heavy-duty steam or carpet cleaners will tear up the fibers as they have a rotating brush. But the Rug Dr. Mighty Pro has a brush that moves sideways, and thus it is easier on the fibers of the carpet. Number 3. Bissell Little Green Proheat. Stain on rugs and carpet makes your house look a mess and unhygienic to other people. If you disgust every time you pass the stain, yet you cannot do anything about it, can make you frustrated. But Bissell Little Green Proheat is genuinely a handy little carpet cleaner that is best suited for cleaning all kinds of stains, be it egg stain, red wine stain or anything is steam away from cleaning. Other than that, it doesn't even need preheated water to be filled in, as it can boil up the water on its own. It is particularly well suited for a house that has to deal with liquid stains too often. So if you own lots of pets or live in a home that has gone through lots of abuse, like having 3-year-old juice stains, it is the best carpet steam cleaner you can get. Number 4. Bissell Proheat 2X. Are you frustrated with so-called deep cleaners that doesn't deliver what they promised at all? Try Bissell Proheat 2X if you want to learn just how effective a carpet cleaner can be. It gives way better cleaning and removal of pet stains as it is specifically made for picking up pet stains. Other than cleanup of the pet stains, it is excellent at cleaning upholstery items as well as it comes a 7 feet long hose. The dual tanks make sure the dirty and clean stay separated. One of the biggest frustrations of all the other existing carpet cleaner is the cleaning and maintenance of the cleaner itself. But Bissell Proheat 2X is pretty easy to clean. It's not so heavy compared to other heavy-duty cleaners like the Rug Doctor. Easy assembly and it will be ready to use in minutes.
Number 5. Dupre 1 Carpet Steam Cleaner. Now, this is what we call the best and absolutely the carpet steam cleaner, period. It has got everything an ideal steam cleaner for carpets, from aesthetic looks to the quick dry up after clean up. But the best thing is that this steam cleaner can give you plenty of heat and steam for doing up to an hour of clean up. Also, the European-made design of this Dupre 1 steam cleaner is what makes it stand out other than other steam cleaners out there. Once you get this one, you won't be able to get enough of its quick heat up of the steam and excellent cleaning of any dirts and stains. Dupre 1 steam cleaner is not just an excellent steam cleaner for carpets, it is great at cleaning anything. So it's an all-purpose steam cleaner for anyone who is looking for a great steam cleaner to take care of everything from the tiles to hardwood and even your kitchen as well.